Why is it that some ancient religions persist while others have faded into the annals of history? What is the secret to their survival, and what caused the transformation of others? To answer these questions, we delve into two ancient belief systems, Hinduism and Greek mythology. Both have left indelible marks on human history, yet their paths diverge dramatically. Hinduism, originating in the Indian subcontinent, is one of the world's oldest religions. It is a complex, multifaceted tradition that has evolved over thousands of years. It has absorbed a myriad of cultural, philosophical, and religious influences, yet has retained its core identity. This ability to adapt and incorporate is perhaps one key to Hinduism's longevity. Hinduism is not a monolithic entity. It encompasses a wide range of beliefs, practices, and traditions. From the philosophical musings of the Upanishads to the epic tales of the Mahabharata, from the devotional fervor of bhakti to the disciplined practices of yoga. Hinduism is a rich tapestry woven from countless threads. Now, let's turn our attention to Greek mythology. Greek mythology, with its pantheon of gods and epic tales of heroes, was the bedrock of ancient Greek religion. However, with the advent of Christianity in the 1st century AD and its subsequent spread throughout the Roman Empire, the Greek religion began to decline. Yet, Greek mythology is not considered a myth merely because the Greek religion dwindled. The term mythology refers to a collection of traditional stories or beliefs that explain natural phenomena or the customs and beliefs of a social group. Greek mythology is still studied today for its literary, cultural, and historical significance, even though the religion itself is no longer practiced in its original form. Christianity, emerging from Judaism, spread as a separate religious tradition, eventually becoming the dominant religion in many parts of the world, including Greece and Rome. So, the decline of the Greek religion did contribute to Greek mythology being viewed differently, but the term myth doesn't necessarily imply falsehood. Instead, it indicates stories that are deeply ingrained in the cultural and religious heritage of a society, regardless of their literal truth. In summary, the survival of Hinduism can be attributed to its adaptability and inclusiveness, its ability to evolve and absorb various influences over time while still retaining a core identity. Greek mythology, on the other hand, transformed with the rise of Christianity. Even though the traditional Greek religion declined, the stories, beliefs, and significance of Greek mythology continue to be studied and appreciated today. Remember, history is a river, ever-flowing, ever-changing, shaped by the forces of time and human endeavor. And religions, like rivers, carve their own paths through the landscape of human culture and thought, leaving behind a legacy that continues to shape our world.